We are about 5 days away, I think, from Disney. We're going on a quick 3-night spring break trip, and I'm working on Landon's and my Disney clothes. Sorry for the hair, I just got a shower and let it dry. So, I am working on packing for my almost 6-year-old. This is her 15th trip to Disney World, and let me show you what I'm packing for her. Outfit number 1, it's this adorable skirt that I just got off Shop Disney with this shirt from Target. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then I have 4 dresses. 1, 2, 3, and then this is the 4th one they just got you from Target. Isn't that gorgeous?
All of them.
You want to take all of them?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you want to take any princess costumes?
A lot of pretty.
No, honey, it's just 3 nights.
An African costume.
An African costume? Oh, because we're at Animal Kingdom? She couldn't decide between Tiana and Rapunzel, princess dress. So she kind of walked out. So I don't know if I'm going to bring a princess dress, but I am going to bring this because right now it's saying it could get down to 60, 62 at night. So, and I have a matching one. So I'll bring that, and a size 5'6". So she's going to be outgrowing that soon. So that would match those really well. And as far as shoes, she outgrew her summer shoes. So I just put in an order for 2 pairs of Crocs. One's mini and one is white. I'll see which one I like. So I have these pink Crocs that are on there. Her toes are at the end. So this is the last trip for those. But I love waterproof shoes because it's supposed to rain. And then I also have, these are really the only other sandals I have that are not waterproof. So I think maybe I'll bring them for that. And then we are having dinner at Chico. And I don't think she has any animal print, so she might just be doing one of these for Chico. We are going to do a pool day with my sister and niece. So I got this. She needed new bathing suits, so I got her this for Animal Kingdom, and I just still love these long sleeves, so I don't have to worry about, because she will just stay in the pool for hours. I don't have to worry about her shoulder getting sunburned. And I actually got her some diving mermaids, which she just found and is playing with them. So I'll put a picture here, but she could swim all day and she likes to dive for things. So I thought that would be a fun little thing to bring to the pool. And goggles. I'm going to grab some goggles for her as well for pool day. So I have a detangler. I bought 3 of these new brushes because they can get pretty ratty fast. Some white bows, a ton of ponytail holders, some bows for her outfits that are cute. She's had forever. I don't have a lot of red, but I have this one, and I have some animal print. I was thinking, like, this is kind of cute, right? A little animal print at Animal Kingdom with, like, a red look. These she's getting for Easter on Sunday, so I will pack those for her. And then these are her 2 travel day outfits. Mini leggings, mini shirt. And then I keep an extra outfit in her stroller bag underneath, and then just some extra leggings and t-shirts to bring, and then I bring little biker shorts to go under her dresses, and probably about 7 pair of underwear for a 3-night trip. I'm going to bring a nightgown and a PJs for a 3-night trip. Brandon, do you want to bring your autograph book with you? Okay. So she has autographs in here. The Wilderness Explorer is an awesome activity to Animal Kingdom. We have 2 books, but this one's filled up the most. We might be able to finish it. So you go around and get badges. This is to clean her. I'm going to bring a Yeti and a spill-proof sippy cup at night.
I thought your car went. Mom, can I look through this?
Yeah. Some bibs, in case she's wearing like white and eats spaghetti. 2 magic bands. 2 magic bands. One is a Magic Band Plus, and one is just a pink one. She doesn't like things on her wrist, so I actually end up just putting that in the stroller usually. I brought out the compressed packing cubes, and I'm gonna get Landon's stuff in a packing cube. These were actually on her bed. These were some of the first plushes we got her, but we get a new plush for her every trip, so she has a lot. And I do a toy strap, so this goes on the stroller and usually around a leg or a waist. So if it falls down, it won't get lost. I put this in my toiletry bag, so it sticks to the countertop. It has a cap, and this is her favorite Tom's Strawberry toothpaste. So I'm taking 3 vitamins for her. They're also probiotics, chewables. And she'll have her first one in the morning before we go to the airport. We are taking her Yeti, and I bring a strap so it doesn't fall out of the stroller. And then I bring this for nighttime because it's spill-proof and she can knock it over and it won't spill that bad. And then I bring this for emergencies in restaurants. It's very small, so it can fit in your park bag. And then this has the adapter for my iPhone. So I download some movies on my iPhone. Emergencies, meltdowns, tired, food taking too long. That is a great option to bring. I keep a raincoat for each of us in the stroller bag. It's supposed to rain while we're there. This is from TJ Maxx. It's really cute. I was very happy to find this. We have a stroller fan. I think I'm going to bring it because the first day it's going to be 87, but it does cool down a little bit. This is a white noise for the hotel. For Landon, aloe gel spray. This is lotion. This is scalp and hair mist. She doesn't like to wear a hat. Sunglasses, which I think we're going to Walmart today. I may look for new ones because they're pretty scuffed up. And then, actually Carter's has good one. That's where I got these, Carter's. And then I apply this on her face with a brush. And so I'm gonna wash that. I always wash my brushes, like makeup brushes, before we go on vacay. We stopped at Walmart. Landon is still in the car. I got her a book for the trip, and she is still reading it in the car. She's been in there forever. So she picked out 2 pairs of sunglasses, and we got her biker shorts were 3 and 4T. She's grown a lot, so I got her a 2-pack of black biker shorts for the trip. Here's the book she got. It's very big, but she's kind of obsessed with it, so I think we'll take it. Last thing is first aid. We've had quite the experience being sick at Disney in ambulances, from Hollywood Studios, pneumonia. So I bring a lot. We have chewable Tylenol, chewable ibuprofen, Aquaphor, temperature gauge, Band-Aids, first aid kit, alcohol pad, small thing of Advil, Neosporin. My husband had to have emergency dental last year before our Disney cruise, so Oragel is in there. Oh, I have another Aquaphor. Okay, that can come out. And then some NyQuil, Dayquil, and I think melatonin for sleep.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.